In today's video, I'll show you on how you can check and change your leverage on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So if you're trying to change your account's leverage on MetaTrader 4 and 5, unfortunately, there isn't way for you to do this inside the application, because if we select new order, inside you only have something like your volume, the stop loss, and the take profit. Now, the way for you to simply view your leverage and change them is by heading over to your trading account. Now, in my case, I only have this account created as an example. So once inside your trading account, in my case, my broker is Axness, I can simply click on the three dots, click on adjust leverage, and from here, this is my leverage as of the moment. Basically, there are multiple ways in order for you to do this on different brokers, but the process is going to be the same. Head over to your trading accounts. In here, you want to look for the account that you want to change your leverage and view with, and simply inside, you then want to choose the right leverage for you. Click on save, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.